This is the gluttony for which they spoke of in the Bible, but I'm loving it. 1,600 cakes were submitted to the Melbourne Food and Wine Festival Cake Picnic today. Or actually, should I say 1,601? As I found out late last night, no cake, no entry. And there were some pretty stringent rules when it came to cake quality and height. We've been told to go drop off the cake at Zone C. Let's do it. What's in your cake? What is it?
So it's called a Persian love cake, and it's got traditional flavors of like semolina, citrus, orange. It's got rose water in it, pistachios.
Mine is like a chocolate and strawberry cake.
Mine's the famous Victoria sponge.
I made a cheesecake. It's marshmallow cheesecake. I just melted marshmallows and put them in. It's kind of a different way to do the cheesecake.
I love cake and I wanted to eat a lot of it, but I didn't want to bake all of it by myself. So I thought, wait a minute, what if I put together an event and everyone that comes has to bring a whole cake? That way we could all eat it together and be new friends.
I loved the look of the Russian burnt honey cake that had all the apple detail on the top.
It's good. It's good at the top, yeah. People keep on waving to me and saying, well done on your cake. It's nice.
Scarlett made an amazing anchovies cake, so as you're going through it, please look out for her stunning anchovy cake. So creative and so wonderful.
The philosophy or strategy is how much cake can you fit in your box in 7 minutes. So it's so fun to just observe everyone's strategy as they're going through the tables. You'll see people like shy, not sure. They're reading the labels, being like picky. The other people are like, I'm just gonna keep cutting.
I brought a cake here myself, and I just wanted to show you a picture of it, and if you just tell me any words that come to mind when you see it.
Good cake.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
That was a trick. No, honestly, I love it. Thank you for bringing a cake and sharing that with everyone.
I think there's been 2 groups gone through and my cake's still untouched. I feel so bad because this is such a pleasant day, but I am so stressed. I am so overwhelmed. There's so many cakes. There's so many people. I'm worried I'm not going to get the good ones, but also they're all good. That feels like too much cake. I took too much cake. I don't know what to do. Here's my cake selection. This is the gluttony for which they spoke of in the Bible, but I'm loving it.
We had a strategy. She went one way, I went the other. So she got a lot of like carrot cakes, and I tried more like fruity. I really like this one. It's like a chocolate coffee. Had this, it was like a lemon blueberry one. It was light. It was not what I normally went for, but it was really good.
Yeah, I just went for what was beautiful, and I'm sure it'll all taste delicious, so yeah.
What were some of the highlights from this cake picnic?
I learned that in Australia, you guys have a duck potato chip cake. I was walking by and I was like, okay, cute, walked away until I heard this story and I'm like, oh, that is so precious. Honestly, it's a quick event because, we're here for cake and we got to eat it.
People actually took slices of mine. Like, not many, but I'll take it. 2.5 hours and 1,600 cakes later, I'm covered in frosting. I'm extremely full. It's been a good day.